Hi everyone, welcome back. Unity Car. Can you believe this is the same Duster that once symbolized simplicity, and now looks like a beast that doesn't just rule the road, but takes over hearts too? The new 2025 Renault Duster SUV has done something that many brands can't even dream of. But tell me, do you think this new Duster can take on Scorpio and Creta? Drop your answer in the comments and stay connected with Unity Car, because what's coming is pure fire. Let's begin this brand new story, where every line will leave you stunned. The 2025 Renault Duster's exterior is no longer just a car, it's a sculpture. Up front, the new LED DRLs are designed so sharply, it feels like a robot created them with precision. The bold front grille with beautiful chrome touches not only boosts its style, but gives it a unique road identity. This time, the sculpted bonnet lines have been crafted to reflect strength and pride. Moving to the side profile, every angle screams muscular and aggressive. Thick black cladding around the wheel arches makes it look tough and off-road ready. The 17-inch all-black alloy wheels give off an attitude that makes people stop and stare. Silver roof rails and the shark fin antenna complete its modern, high-tech design. On the rear, the new LED tail lights look completely unique and stylish for this segment. The rear bumper with scratch protection and silver finish shows off its true SUV spirit. Renault has redesigned every panel so intelligently that it feels like a completely different Duster, a next-generation icon. This SUV is no longer just a car, it's a bold statement of Renault's future design language. You can clearly see the influence of the Bigster concept here. It feels like Duster has transformed from just a car into a style revolution. Looking back at its history, the Duster has always won hearts of middle-class families, but now, in 2025, it's turning heads too. This is the same SUV that once roamed ordinary roads, and now it looks ready for premium car shows. So my friends, are you ready to bring this brand new, bold, next-gen Duster into your garage? If yes, quickly comment below, which feature impressed you the most. And if you want us to cover the interior features and pricing next time, stay tuned to Unity Car. Because here, every video brings you a brand new story of the road.